Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know how well the lighting is here, so I apologize. It's raining, and I just moved my Weber kettle out here to the garage, at the opening of the garage, and we're just gonna grill some country style boneless pork ribs on here. We're gonna braise them up and get them nice and tender, and that's gonna be dinner tonight, guys. Show you how I'm doing it, and doing it as a guy who's happens to be on a little bit of a diet, so we're gonna do it that way. Guys, let's go inside, get this seasoned up. As soon as this comes up the tip, we'll get it all on here. I really don't know how much weight we got on here. We got some fat on here. Well, that's all going to render down. I'm not going to do much to it. Guys, I'm just going to season this with just some the barbecue rub from Gillaholics. I was able to find that here local too, which is very cool. Excited about that. That's all we're going to do to these guys. Nothing. I'll be honest with you, I was not originally planning on filming this cook. And I was actually going to do it on the gas grill. When that didn't seem feasible with the weather, I set the Weber kettle up outside in the garage and I said, I'm going to film this. So, bonus. It is warm outside today too. That's probably triggering all these thunderstorms just running through here. Alright guys, as soon as that comes up the tent, these are going on the grill. This is getting interesting. The things I do for you guys. Okay, the food is still in the house. This is going to be interesting. Bear with me, guys. Alright, we're going to go indirect. This is a fairly hot cook. It'll be around 400 degrees. I don't want to keep them indirect there. Alright guys, I think I got a little bit wet, but it'll be okay. I got some cherry wood here, guys. I'm going to just put on here and get some smoke rolling. Alright, we'll check back here in a little bit. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. We're about 10-15 minutes in. I just want to turn these a little bit. Might move them around a little bit. We're not done by any stretch. I think the rain is out of here, at least for now. Still got some thunder around us though, you can hear that. I've turned on my fan, if you can hear it, in the garage here, in hopes of drying out my floor before I bust my butt. That'll make for a good video though, wouldn't it? Alright guys, these are turned and we're just going to put the lid on and let them keep cooking for a little bit. Let's go ahead and flip these one more time. I feel like we're probably close to putting these in the pan and start getting them tendered up. Yes, that is a word in Kentucky. Tendered up. I'm telling you. I'm going to check some temps on this. They're starting to firm up some. Feels good. At 125. Yeah, I'm shooting for about 140, and then we're going to put them in the pan and get some sauce on them. Yeah, 127. Next time you see me, guys, we'll be putting these in the pan and wrapping them. Alright guys, let me check this out here. I think we're close. 135. I'm going to go with that. Normally I'd go to 140. A couple of them are at 140. I'm gonna get this over here in the pan and show you what we're gonna do to braise these and finish them up. I need to get these up around 195 to 200 degrees. There's only one way I know how to do that. I'll show you. Alright guys, we're just gonna take these guys, just move them right in here. Look at there. I think it was made for it, kinda. Okay, normally this is a spot where I'd come in here with getaway fly with some brown sugar, some pats of butter, and throw some honey on there and just get this thing all sweetened up. Guys, I'm dieting a little bit and I can't do that. So I'm just gonna simply use some Sweet Baby Ray's original, no sugar added, and this moisture has totally ruined that bottle. It's okay. Wow, look at that. It's okay, we're gonna get this on here and that's all we're gonna use, guys. This is more diet friendly. We just want to cover it real good. It'll do its thing. Give this a good wrap. Need a bigger table. Alright guys, we're just going to put it right back on. We're going to let this thing braise off. Check back in a little while. Check some temps. Okay, off camera guys, I've been turning this just to try to speed things up a little bit. Something I don't like to do, but everyone's getting hungry. I've been turning this and I moved it a little bit more direct over the heat, but not entirely. 160, but 170. We're getting closer, and I keep turning this in hopes we get this done a little faster. But next time you see me, guys, we'll be pulling this off and giving this a taste test. I'll see y'all in just a bit. Alright guys, let me spin this around. Been doing this periodically, not all of it on camera. Ooh, yep, I bet we're close now. Yeah, that sauce is boiling. We're all good, I bet. Let's check this tent. Oh yeah, we're 204. This is what I'm talking about. We are ready. Let's pull this up. We're like 203, 206 here. We are ready to rock and roll. Let's get this inside. We'll plate this up after I get my family fed, and we'll give this thing a taste test. This is my version of comfort food tonight, guys. Look at them country style ribs. Got some little mac and cheese. Nothing fancy. You know me, we don't get it real fancy around here. And even some little mashed taters. Here's the main attraction right here, guys. I'm gonna cut into this little country style rib right there. Pretty, oh, that cut very, very good. We can get a bite of that right there. Hey guys, let's see how I did. Did I mention it was hot out there? Very hot. Rainy, humid, like it's August or something. Oh my God, that is tender. Yes, I would have loved the brown sugar, the butter, and the honey mixture, make it all real sweet, but this is a whole lot more fat boy friendly, and it's very tasty. Home style food, quick and eat. It wasn't that quick tonight. It really wasn't. That can be a long cook. I actually sped it up some, so that can take a few hours if I ain't careful, but I did go a little bit faster on that. So guys, thank you as always. I wasn't even going to film this cook. when I moved to the garage and went to the Weber Kettle, I decided I was filming it. So please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thank you for watching. God bless you folks. Bye-bye.